Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing a photo with clear subject-background separation. That contrast makes bokeh believable. Once in your editor, duplicate the background layer and create a precise mask around the subject using a selection tool or AI selection. Then apply a low-strength Gaussian blur to the duplicated layer to test blur falloff, making sure you keep subject edges crisp. This first pass establishes the depth plane. Make minor feather adjustments to the mask, so transitions will read as natural optical blur rather than pasted pixels. Now you refine the illusion of depth. Create or import a depth map, or paint grayscale gradients where darker equals farther. This controls blur radius per pixel. Once done, apply lens-specific blur, lens blur or field blur, using the depth map as the source, and adjust radius until background separation looks natural. Then add a highlights layer. Isolate bright points and blur them with a circular kernel or custom aperture shape to simulate specular bokeh. Make sure to vary size and intensity for realism. Finish by blending. Slightly feather the subject mask and use selective dodge and burn to match light falloff so the subject sits naturally in the scene. Add subtle chromatic aberration and fine-grained noise to match camera characteristics. This prevents a synthetic look. Once done, inspect edges at 100%. If haloing appears, reduce blur radius or refine the mask edge with a smaller brush. If highlights look flat, increase bokeh shape contrast. Save layered file and export a flattened JPEG for sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.